the May 2018 AS paper question 4. So the line L1 has the equation 4y minus 3x equals 10. The line L2 passes through the points 5, minus 1 and minus 1, 8. Determine, giving 4 reasons for your answer, whether the lines L1 and L2 are parallel, perpendicular or neither. Now the key things that we need to know here for parallel, perpendicular or neither. If the lines are parallel, the gradients are the same. If the lines are perpendicular, the gradients are the negative reciprocal of each other. And if it's neither, then they can just be anything. So the key part of this question is all about looking at the gradients. So if we're looking at the gradient of L1, we know that we've got 4y minus 3x equals 10. We need to rearrange it to be in the form y equals mx add c to be able to identify the gradient. So 4y is equal to 3x add 10. And y is going to be 3x over 4, add 10 over 4, which is going to simplify to 5 over 2. So the gradient here is 3/4. Then what we're going to do is we're going to look at the gradient of L2 and compare the two values. So the gradient of L2 is going to be the change in y over the change in x. So we're going to have the change in y, so we've got 8 there, we've got minus 1 there, so minus 1 over minus 1 here, take away 5 from this one. So this is going to give us 8 minus minus 1 is 9, minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. So this is minus 3 over 2. So looking at these two values for our two gradients that we've got here, what we can say is they are not parallel. As the gradients are not the same. And what we can also say is the negative reciprocal of 3/4 is going to be minus 4 over 3. That is not minus 3 over 2. So they are not perpendicular either. As the gradients are not the negative reciprocals of each other. So therefore, they are neither.